Hello everyone, our today's topic is Sharpe single index model. In this video, we will discuss about this model and also learn how to calculate the risk and return. Before the Sharpe's model, Markowitz model was there, but it had serious practical limitations. Markowitz emphasizes that each security has correlation with each other and it also requires large number of calculations, whereas Sharpe model says that instead of looking at the correlation of the securities with each other, we should look at the relation of the individual security with the one common parameter, that is market, because each security is associated with market and thus we can form the portfolio and calculate the risk and return. I will explain you with this example. For example, there are 50 securities. Then according to Markowitz model, the number of calculation can be calculated as n minus 1 divided by 2, that is equals to 50 multiplied by 49 divided by 2, that is equals to 1225. But according to Sharpe's model, the formula is 3n plus 2, means 3 multiplied by 50 plus 2, that is equals to 152. So the number of calculation in the Sharpe's model is only 152. So in this way, the Sharpe's model will help in constituting the portfolio with lesser number of calculation. In Markowitz model, the correlation of one security is studied with the other, like A with B, B with C, C with B, B with A, and A with C and C with A. Similarly, the correlation of one security with the other security is studied. Now, in the Sharpe's model, what happens? There is only one index, that is market. So, the relation of each security, say A, B, C, D, is studied in relation to the one factor, that is market or index. This is why this theory is known as single index model. This theory was developed by William Sharpe. This optimal portfolio of Sharpe is also known as single index model. There are four important concepts in this model. One is the market portfolio, second is the systematic risk, third is unsystematic risk, and fourth is the random error term. I had made video on Markowitz model. You can check the link in the description box or you can hit the I button. Now, what is market portfolio? Market portfolio means each security is related to the market. So, the risk and return can be calculated of each security with respect to the one parameter, that is market. Second point is systematic risk. Systematic risk means that risk which we cannot control and it is due to the macroeconomic factor or market-wide factor that is not in our control and it is denoted by beta. Third is unsystematic risk. This is due to the company performance, or we can say it is a micro factor. So this risk depends upon the performance of the company. So it varies from one company to another company and it can be controlled. Fourth is random error term or residual error term. This term is due to the extraordinary events like mergers, acquisitions. Now, let's start with the calculation of the expected return and risk in this case. We all know that the return of the individual security depends upon the two factors. One is the market and second is the own. When we are talking about the market and the individual security, then their relation is denoted by the beta, that is the systematic risk, and the own risk is denoted by the unsystematic risk. So what will be the expected return here? Expected return is equals to RF. It is also denoted by alpha, or this means it is the excess return of the securities. It means If market is giving the zero return, then this security is giving some return. It can be in the positive or it can be in the negative, -2% or +5%. So it is also denoted by alpha in some cases. We can say it is a risk free return. So RF plus beta multiplied by RM. RM is the value or return on the market or the stock index, and EI is the residual factor which cannot be specified. So this is the formula of expected return. Now we will talk about the expected risk. You know that risk is of two types. One is the systematic risk and other is the unsystematic risk. Risk is measured by the variance, or it is the square of the standard deviation. Systematic risk is equals to sigma m square multiplied by beta I square. Beta I square is the systematic risk of the individual security. Sigma m square is the variance of the market, and sigma I is equals to variance of the individual security that we are calculating. Second point is unsystematic risk. Unsystematic risk is equals to sigma E square. So the total risk will be the sum of systematic risk plus unsystematic risk, that is equals to sigma m square multiplied by beta I square plus sigma E square. In this way we can calculate the total risk, systematic risk plus unsystematic risk. In this way the expected return and risk are calculated in this model. I hope now it is clear to everyone that what is Sharpe index model and how it is different from the Markowitz model. In Markowitz model we have to study the correlation of one security with the another security, whereas in Sharpe index model you have to study the relation of the individual security with the one common parameter, that is market or the stock index. This is why this model is known as single index model. Thank you so much for today. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, then like the video and share it among your friends and hit the bell icon for the further important videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.